roasted eggplant, green and red bell pepper. Tapenade. Ingredients: eggplant, onion, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, basil, Italian parsley, olive oil, pine nuts. Directions: 4. Heat your oven to 425 F. Take 2 nice-size eggplants and cut around the skin in a zebra pattern, taking some off and leaving some on. Cut into 3/4 of an inch discs. Chop half of a large onion and 2 red peppers the same size. Drizzle both sides with olive oil, salt and pepper and roast till tender on the inside, and slightly crispy on the outside. Cool and cut into big chunks. Place everything in a bowl, add 1 finely chopped clove of garlic, and a dressing of emulsified fresh lemon and olive oil. Keep tasting to your desired amount, adding more or less. Lastly, add some freshly torn basil leaves and toss in some toasted pine nuts.